Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to demonstrate how to disengage the hydrostatic transmission or set the transmission to a neutral position using a Cub Cadet XT1 riding lawnmower. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This procedure is specific to hydrostatic transmissions in riding lawnmowers in order to allow the vehicle to move freely, such as pushing the lawnmower vehicle by hand. The transmission needs to be released with levers or other hardware used to open the bypass valve in the hydrostatic transmission. To disengage the transmission, pull backwards on the transmission bypass rod or bypass lever, which is located at the rear of the tractor. Once the transmission is disengaged and the brakes are off, the mower can be moved freely. To re-engage the transmission, push the transmission bypass rod forward. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.